Good morning from a slightly overcast Melbourne. We're off for some gravel today. Couldn't get a coffee to start with, so I'm not going to fire too well. But we're heading from Belgrave, Emerald, Monbulk, and then up to Montrose along the Dandenong ridgeline. So we have got a bit of vert, but we're 1,000 metres, I think it is, all up. But this is our first group ride since lockdown, so for some of us it's quite an exciting time. Get to catch up with familiar faces and ride as a group. Safe, of course, but it's good to get out as a group of cyclists and skirting through the tree line up in the Dandenong ranges. So let's get out there. Time to put a bit of air in the Linda's tyres. I've taken a little bit too much out, so the rear is a little bit spongy. Some of the descents were a bit sketchy, so it was better off to take a bit of air out to give it a bit more stability, a bit more braking power. So let's find the pump. We've now arrived at Monbulk. You have a nature stop, and then we'll progress our way along up to the wall and then into Montrose. Roads have been fast, weather's been really good to us. Cold up on top of the hills, arm warmers for that, and then take them off again, on again, off again. Let's have a bit of a drink and we'll keep on going.